BRCGS Standard Consultancy, Implementation, Training and Certification Support by URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited. Welcome to URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited. If your organization manufactures food, packaging materials, consumer products or provides storage and distribution services, then this video is for you. Today we will discuss one of the world's most respected food safety and quality assurance frameworks, the BRCGS standard. We will cover what is BRCGS, why organizations need BRCGS certification, industries covered, benefits of implementation, steps for successful certification, common implementation challenges, how URGS can support your organization from consultation to certification. So let us begin. What is BRCGS? BRCGS stands for Brand Reputation Through Compliance Global Standards. Originally developed by the British Retail Consortium, BRCGS has evolved into one of the world's leading certification schemes organized by retailers, manufacturers, importers, exporters, and regulatory authorities across the globe. The objective of BRCGS is simple: to ensure products are consistently safe, legal, authentic, and of high quality. Today, thousands of manufacturing facilities across more than 130 countries operate under BRCGS certification. Many international retailers require suppliers to hold valid BRCGS certification before approving them as vendors. Why is BRCGS important? Food safety incidents can lead to product recalls, customer complaints, financial losses, regulatory penalties, brand image, loss of export opportunities. BRCGS helps organizations establish preventive systems instead of reactive solutions. Rather than fixing problems after they occur, BRCGS focuses on preventing them through systematic management. This significantly improves customer confidence and operational efficiency. Industries covered by BRCGS. BRCGS standards apply to multiple industries including food manufacturing, packaging materials, storage and distribution, consumer products, agents and brokers, retail, wholesale, logistics, cold storage, food processing, beverage manufacturing, meat processing, dairy, bakery, seafood, frozen foods, ready-to-eat foods, fruit and vegetable processing, spices, edible oils, packaging manufacturers, plastic packaging, paper packaging, metal packaging, glass packaging, flexible packaging. Whether your organization is small or multinational, BRCGS provides a structured approach toward quality and food safety. Major requirements of BRCGS successful implementation generally includes senior management commitment, food safety culture, quality management system, document control, risk assessment, hazard analysis, supplier approval program, raw material control, product specifications, process control, equipment maintenance, calibration, cleaning and sanitation, pest control, allergen management, personal hygiene, training and competence, traceability, product recall system, complaint management, internal audits, corrective actions, continuous improvement. These requirements work together to create a robust food safety management system. Benefits of BRCGS certification. Organizations implementing BRCGS enjoy numerous advantages: improved food safety, reduced operational risks, enhanced product consistency, better customer satisfaction, increased employee awareness, stronger supplier management, reduced product recalls, regulatory compliance, international recognition, access to global retail chains, improved product export opportunities, enhanced brand reputation, competitive advantage, reduced wastage, improved operational efficiency, better documentation, greater process control, higher customer confidence, improved market credibility, long-term business sustainability. Implementation process. A successful BRCGS journey generally follows these steps. Step 1, gap assessment. Current systems are evaluated against BRCGS requirements. Step 2, project planning, implementation timelines and responsibilities are defined. Step 3, documentation development, policies, procedures, work instructions, records, forms, risk assessments, specifications are prepared. Step 4, implementation. A documented system is implemented throughout the organization. Step 5, training. Employees receive awareness and operational training. Internal auditors are trained. Management receives implementation guidance. Step 6, internal audit. A complete system is audited internally. Non-conformities are identified. Corrective actions are implemented. Step 7, management review. Top management evaluates system effectiveness. Resources and improvement opportunities are discussed. Step 8, certification audit. An accredited certification body conducts the external audit. Following successful completion, certification is awarded. Now, common challenges during implementation. Organizations often encounter challenges such as incomplete documentation, poor employee awareness, weak food safety culture, lack of traceability, supplier control issues, inadequate risk assessments, improper sanitation practices, insufficient internal audits, weak corrective action processes, inadequate training. However, with proper planning and expert guidance, these challenges can effectively managed. Now, why choose URGS International? At URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited, we provide comprehensive support throughout your BRCGS certification journey. Our services include BRCGS consultancy, gap assessment, implementation support, documentation development, risk assessment support, food safety culture development, internal auditor training, employee awareness training, supplier evaluation support, mock audits, pre-assessment, corrective action guidance, certification coordination, post-certification support. Our experienced consultants work closely with organizations of all sizes to develop practical, efficient, and internationally compliant management systems tailored to their operational needs. Our objective is not only to help you achieve certification but also to improve your operational excellence, strengthen food safety practices, and enhance your organization's reputation in global markets. Now, closing and call to action. If your organization is planning to implement BRCGS standards, improve food safety performance, or achieve internationally recognized certification, URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited is ready to support you at every stage. Whether you require consultancy, implementation assistance, employee training, internal auditor training, pre-assessment, or certification support, our team is committed to delivering practical, value-driven solutions that align with your business objectives. Our email ID is info@urgsiso.com. Our mobile number is +91 7359458455. If you found this video informative, please like, share and subscribe to our channel for more videos on international standards, food safety, quality management systems, auditing, compliance, inspections and professional training. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to supporting your organization's journey toward BRCGS certification and business excellence. See you in our next video.